Top 9 foods to restore your vision. When you think of vision and food, carrots are probably the first thing that come to mind, and for good reason. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining a healthy retina, which helps you see better in dim light and prevents night blindness. It's like fuel for your eyes to work at their best. According to research from the National Eye Institute, a diet rich in vitamin A can significantly lower your risk of vision problems, especially as you age. Crunch on carrot sticks with hummus as a healthy snack. Blend carrots into a vibrant smoothie with oranges and ginger. Roast them with olive oil and herbs for a savory side dish. The recommended daily intake for carrots is about 1 medium carrot or 1 cup of chopped carrots, equivalent to around 128 grams per day. This provides approximately 52 calories, which is 430% of the daily value, DV, for vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, and other essential nutrients like fiber and potassium. Next up is spinach. This leafy green is like a superhero for your eyes. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that shield your retina from harmful blue light and UV damage. These nutrients also help prevent macular degeneration, a condition that can blur your central vision as you age. Eating spinach regularly is like putting sunglasses on your eyes from the inside out. Studies show that a diet packed with lutein and zeaxanthin significantly reduces the risk of age-related eye disorders. So, Grandma was right when she urged you to eat your greens. Toss fresh spinach into your favorite salad. Whip up a spinach and mushroom omelet for breakfast. Add spinach to a smoothie for a refreshing, nutrient-packed drink. Eat 1 to 2 cups of spinach daily to keep your eyes naturally protected. Including spinach in your diet also supports bone health and immune function due to its rich supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if you like this video so far. Let's talk about why what you eat matters for your eyes. Your eyes are constantly exposed to stress. Blue light from screens, pollution, and aging all take a toll. But here's the good news. The right nutrients can protect and even restore your vision over time. Nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin C act as your eye's natural shield, keeping them strong and healthy. Including these in your diet is a simple, effective way to take care of your eyesight for years to come. Here's another orange food packed with beta-carotene and is good for your eyes. Sweet potatoes. Just like carrots, their beta-carotene content keeps your eyes working great in low light and strengthens the tissues around your eyeballs. Sweet potatoes also offer vitamin E, which helps repair and slow damage to your eye cells, making your vision last longer. Research has shown that beta-carotene and vitamin E help reduce oxidative stress in your eyes, keeping them healthy and safe from damage. Roast sweet potatoes with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a sweet treat. Make creamy sweet potato soup to warm your belly and your vision. Cut sweet potatoes into fries and bake them as a crispy snack. A medium-sized sweet potato, about 150 grams, a day will do wonders for your eyes. Who knew fish could be so good for your eyes? Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce dryness in your eyes and support the overall health of your retina. Dry, itchy eyes are a common problem in today's world thanks to screens. Omega-3 fatty acids act like a moisturizer for your eyes, keeping them hydrated and happy. A Harvard study found that people who eat omega-3 rich foods weekly have a much lower risk of developing eye diseases like macular degeneration. Your eyes love healthy fats. Grill salmon with lemon and herbs for a flavorful dinner. Dice it into a salad for a light, protein-packed meal. Make salmon tacos with avocado and lime for a fun twist. Enjoy 2 servings of salmon a week, about 3 to 4 ounces per serving, for optimum eye health. Eggs, especially the yolks, are a nutritional powerhouse for your eyes. They contain lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, all of which work together to protect your retina and improve night vision. They're also a great source of vitamin A, which guards against dryness and helps maintain clear vision overall. Eating eggs regularly has been linked to better protection against harmful blue light, keeping your eyes from feeling overly strained. Whip up scrambled eggs for breakfast. Boil eggs to grab on the go. Use them in a veggie pack sandwich for lunch. 2 to 4 eggs a week is the sweet spot for supporting eye health. Need a pop of color in your meals? Red bell peppers are a vibrant way to boost your eye health. They're rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and can help prevent cataracts. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, fighting off free radicals that can damage your vision over time. Studies suggest that diets high in vitamin C can slow the progression of eye aging and keep your eyes looking younger for longer. Slice raw red peppers for a crunchy snack. Add them to a stir-fry for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Stuff them with quinoa and veggies for a hearty dinner. Aim for about half a cup of bell peppers daily to brighten your vision. These little berries pack a punch. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and improve night vision. Snacking on blueberries helps reduce the impact of screen time on your eyes, leaving them feeling less tired and strained. Research shows that people who frequently eat antioxidant-rich berries have better blood flow to the retina, leading to healthier vision overall. Mix blueberries into yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast. Add them to smoothies for a refreshing treat. Snack on them plain for a naturally sweet dessert. Have about half a cup of blueberries daily to reap their vision-protecting benefits. If you're looking for a quick snack that's good for your eyes, almonds are perfect. These nuts are rich in vitamin E, which acts as a shield against damage to your eye cells. Think of vitamin E as your personal eye guard, slowing down aging and keeping your vision clear. Studies suggest that people who get enough vitamin E in their diets are less likely to develop cataracts later in life. Grab a handful of raw almonds for an energy-packed snack. Sprinkle sliced almonds over a salad. Blend them into almond butter and spread on toast. Stick to about 1 ounce of almonds a day, or about 23 almonds, for the best benefits. As we age, we have to protect our bodies against anti-aging, not just our eyes. We have made a video about 6 healthy nuts for anti-aging to help you snack wisely. Click on this video to learn about other ways to help you age gracefully. Moving on to last but definitely not least, oranges are packed with vitamin C, which supports the health of your eye blood vessels and fights oxidative stress. Fresh oranges, or their juice, are great, refreshing ways to protect your eyes. Vitamin C has long been associated with reducing the risk of cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. Enjoy a glass of fresh orange juice in the morning. Toss orange slices into a salad for a citrusy twist. Simply eat one as an afternoon snack. Eat 1 medium-sized orange daily or opt for a glass of freshly squeezed juice. Happy, healthy aging, everyone. We gave you 9 superfoods that will help restore and protect your vision. The beta-carotene in carrots and sweet potatoes, the lutein in spinach and eggs, or the vitamin C in red peppers and oranges. Each of these foods plays a unique role in supporting your eyesight. Here is the video about 6 nuts for anti-aging we talked about earlier. Incorporate these into your daily meals with the easy recipes we've shared, and you'll be well on your way to seeing the world more clearly.